So soon enough, we're going to see Bitcoin having a rally, okay, going back up to its previous highs of 109, even reaching new highs. It's going to happen very, very soon, guys. Okay, we're going to see a massive rally happening for Bitcoin, and there is, in fact, a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys for today's video, indicating and showing us that clearly Bitcoin is ready to surge up to the upside. Okay, it's going to happen. And also, okay, I want to talk about Solana because some very, very exciting things are in fact happening for Solana right now. And as we know, a couple of days ago, we did see Solana reaching a new high, okay, almost $300. Didn't quite get up there, okay, but it did, almost reach $300. So yeah, I want to talk about Solana as well because I really do believe, okay, Solana's it's going to have a major move. It's coming, guys, okay, for Solana. So be ready for that. Now, before I talk about all those things, I do, in fact, want to give you guys an update on what is happening right now with Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So Bitcoin right now, guys, okay, $104,000, $104,500. So Bitcoin is still holding up pretty well. Okay, we saw it a couple of hours ago. We are, in fact, in the 1 hour time frame. We did see it go up to $107,000, 107.3. Okay, but now it's back down at 104. So we are, in fact, seeing some volatility for Bitcoin. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, a lot of volatility, right? But I'm here to tell you guys right now that soon enough we're gonna see Bitcoin, going back up to, okay, its previous highs of 109, and it's going to go to 110 and higher. Okay, we're going to see a clear breakout happening for Bitcoin, guys. I'm telling you guys that right now. Okay, soon enough, okay, in the next few days, I really do believe Bitcoin is going to pump. It's going to skyrocket to new highs. Okay, and if it doesn't happen the next few days during this month of January, it's going to happen next month in February, because we know, guys, February is a very, very bullish month, okay, for Bitcoin. Okay, so be ready for that, guys. Now, the crypto market today not really moving. Yesterday we saw Bitcoin moving, we saw alts moving as well. Okay, but today we're not seeing huge moves, guys. Okay, for the past 24 hours, as of right now, we're not seeing huge moves for a fair few alts. Okay, look at the Trump meme coin down 13%. So this has been dropping for the past few days. And it's dropping quite a bit today. It's down over 10%. But yeah, a fair few alts are not really moving today. You can clearly see that the market today overall is not really moving. Okay, global crypto market cap sitting at 3.59 trillion. So it's dropped just the tiniest bit ever since yesterday. Now, let's talk about Solana because, guys, okay, we know a Solana ETF was about to happen. Okay, and I already talked about this, a couple months back, okay, about a Solana ETF happening. And look at this, right? Solana ETF decision today, right? So this was posted a couple of hours ago. Okay, so there is, in fact, a decision for the Solana ETF today. Okay, and that's why maybe we, saw Solana earlier today pumping up to at least 270. Okay, yeah, it reached 270. You can clearly see that. Okay, it was pumping, but right now it's having a correction. Okay, but yeah, Grayscale, okay, files for a Solana ETF with, okay, NYSE. Okay, so I don't know if this is actually confirmed that we will actually see a Solana ETF. Okay, I don't think it is confirmed yet. Okay, but they are, in fact, filing it. Okay, so I will keep you guys up to date. Okay, whether or not we will see a Solana ETF, okay, happen. But obviously, since we have, the Bitcoin ETFs, the Ethereum ETFs, why wouldn't we see a Solana ETF, right? So I do believe this is going to happen, okay? And other great news for Solana, the market cap for Solana has, in fact, been going up quite a bit, okay? A lot of volume has, in fact, been going into Solana, right? I feel like a lot of people are moving to Solana. Okay, a lot of people that are in Ethereum, for example, are moving into Solana, and it makes sense. Okay, I get why they're doing that because obviously Solana is much more faster, okay, with transactions and whatnot. The gas fees is nothing like compared to Ethereum. We know Ethereum gas fees is ridiculous. Okay, so it's understandable why people are moving from Ethereum to Solana. Okay, but anyways, look at this. Okay, Solana has flipped Sony in market cap. Okay, and we know Sony is one of the largest tech companies out there in the world. Okay, so this is insane, right? Solana market cap right now, 127 billion. Okay, and Sony's market cap is 125 billion, which is insane, right? So this just shows you guys where Solana will be heading in the future. Okay, yeah. Well, let's have a look here. Solana market cap right now 123. Yeah, it's dropped a little bit. Okay, since it is having a slight correction back down to the downside. But a couple of hours ago, just last night, I did see Solana reaching to 270, which was insane. It was moving, guys, right? But yeah, the market today, okay, this morning, it's not really moving, okay, but it's understandable. Okay, it's understandable. Okay, we're gonna see corrections along the way, but I really do believe, okay, with the Solana ETFs, we're gonna see a major move happening for Solana. Okay, I told you guys many times, okay, a lot of alts, okay, they will move. Okay, when alt season does begin, we're gonna see a lot of altcoins going back up to the previous all-time highs, even reaching a new high. Okay, and if you guys look here, right, let's just go to the weekly time frame for Solana. You guys can just clearly see Solana clearly broke its previous highs, okay, of $264, okay. It went there in 18th of November 2024, okay, so a couple months back, just last year, right? And it dropped, and then it went back up, and this time it hit a new high of $295, okay, $295, guys, okay, almost $300, which is insane, right? So Solana has obviously reached new highs, as we know, and I do believe Solana, this bull run, I think there's potential that we're going to see Solana doubling from here, maybe even more than that, right? So I do see it reaching, at least $600 to even $800 to even $1,000. That is very, very possible for Solana this bull run, okay? So understand, guys, I told you guys, okay, we're going to see a lot of altcoins recover back up to the upside, okay? And look at this. Look at how much Solana has recovered back up to the upside, right? There was obviously a lot of fear when Solana was all the way down here at these levels. But imagine you just DCA'd and bought some Solana down over here. I'm glad I did. And I hope you guys did as well, because that would have been the right move, okay? Because look at how much Solana has, went back up, right? It gained back its momentum, okay? And it just went back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new high recently, okay? A couple of days ago. So, Solana right now is looking absolutely amazing. It's looking absolutely strong right now for Solana. Solana holders out there, I hope you guys are ready for Solana, because, yes, it's going to skyrocket, okay? A major move is coming for Solana, okay? So be ready for that. Now, yes, the Bitcoin dominance is going to drop, guys. As I've been telling guys many, many times for the past few days, soon enough, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, okay? It's going to crash, and this is going to lead alt season, okay? Once we see the Bitcoin dominance crashing, okay, we're going to see a major move down to the downside, which it will happen. We're going to see alt season begin, okay? So I hope you guys are ready for that, okay? Because this alt season, new millionaires will be printed, they will be made for sure. So I hope you guys are ready, okay? The large caps and of course the low caps, they're going to skyrocket, okay? So be prepared for that. Now, Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum for a little bit. I've been talking about Ethereum for the past few days because I feel like a lot of people are losing faith for Ethereum. But I'm here to tell you guys this right now, that Ethereum will skyrocket. Okay, Ethereum will melt a lot of people's faces. Okay, it's going to be reaching back up to its previous highs, and of course reaching a new high. And I get it, right? Ethereum hasn't really been moving for the past few weeks, few months. I get that. Ethereum hasn't even went back up to its previous highs. And if you look at Bitcoin, right, Bitcoin has obviously, reached back up to its previous highs, even reaching new highs, but not Ethereum. Okay, but look at this chart, right? Look at this chart, guys. So it says here, Ethereum's price action is exactly like Bitcoin's during last cycle. The next move will be obvious. So you guys can just clearly see, okay, looking at this chart, okay, what Bitcoin did last cycle in 2021, the last bull cycle, okay, it was consolidating, it had a correction, okay, with the COVID crash, okay, and then it just went parabolic. You guys can clearly see it's pretty similar to what Ethereum is doing this cycle right now. Okay, so soon enough, guys, we're gonna see Ethereum, skyrocketing. Okay, I told you guys many times that we're gonna see Ethereum having a, pretty decent, okay, move up to the upside. It's going to happen. Okay, and remember, guys, okay, Ethereum, okay, is the king of altcoins. It's the largest altcoin out there. Okay, so when alt season does begin, Ethereum will lead the way. Okay, it's going to lead the way for alt season. So when we do see Ethereum skyrocketing, other alts will follow and skyrocket with it. Okay, understand that, guys. Okay, Ethereum is still behind Bitcoin. It's, the second largest crypto coin. Okay, so it, in a way, it's going to lead the way for alt season, guys. Okay, it really, really is. Ethereum still remains king. Okay, for altcoins. Okay, it really, really does. So Ethereum holders, I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay. But let's talk about Bitcoin. So short term, where is Bitcoin heading? This is where we are right now. Okay, and you guys can just clearly see it's saying here and it's showing us here that Bitcoin is preparing for the next leg up. Next stop is $125,000 to $130,000. Okay, so Bitcoin holders, are you guys ready for this? Okay, because it's going to happen. And guess what? That's not going to be the top. Bitcoin's eventually going to be reaching 200K, even $300,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here. Okay, you guys can just clearly see that. So Bitcoin holders, I hope you guys are ready for this because Bitcoin is going to be going parabolic. Okay, a rally is coming and I really want you guys to be ready for it. And I hope you guys are truly. Okay, I truly do hope you guys are ready for this rally because what we are in fact about to see happening for Bitcoin, okay, and crypto, right? Just crypto overall, the entire crypto market, it's going to shock a lot of people. This is going to be the craziest bull run ever. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. So be ready for that. Okay, so yes, Bitcoin is about to explode to $200,000. Okay, so be ready for that, guys, because it's going to happen for Bitcoin. Okay, I feel like a lot of people are not ready for this. Okay, and people that are not buying into Bitcoin right now at these levels, they will FOMO in. When retail investors see Bitcoin at 200K and higher, they're gonna FOMO in. We always see FOMO, guys, during a bull market. For some reason, a lot of people, okay, they like to buy in when everything is pumping, when everyone's talking about it, when it's in the greens, right? A lot of people don't want to, do the complete opposite when you should be buying. When it's in the reds, when it's crashing, when it's quiet, right? When there's a lot of FUD, that's obviously the time to buy. Okay, but a lot of people like to do the complete opposite. They want to FOMO in and buy in to the markets when it's pumping, when everyone's talking about it, when we're in a bull market. Okay, but it should be the complete opposite. Okay, so anyways, yes, Bitcoin is going to be reaching $200,000, guys. Okay, now this is interesting. Okay, we know Bitcoin is going to be reaching 200K at least, right? That's an easy target. It's for sure going to happen. Now, look at this. If Bitcoin just continues on the trend started from the bottom of the bear market, it will hit $195,000 by the end of this year. What if it goes parabolic? Do you guys hear that? Okay, it says here, what if it goes parabolic? So even if we don't see a parabolic move happening for Bitcoin, the target is $195,000. Now, if Bitcoin went parabolic, it's going to go much higher than that. Okay, so guys, 200K Bitcoin is easily going to happen. Okay, if Bitcoin were to go parabolic, and obviously that's a dumb question, it will go parabolic, right? We're going to see Bitcoin going much, much higher than $200,000. And that's why I really do believe, Bitcoin reaching 300K, even 400K to 500K is very, very possible. As we know, guys, okay, just yesterday, okay, Donald Trump signed the executive order for a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Okay, not just Bitcoin, just crypto overall. So that means other crypto coins that are pretty much based in the US, they will have their own, strategic reserve. Things like XRP, right? What else is there? Solana, okay, and even USDC, the stablecoin. Okay, so understand, guys. With a Bitcoin strategic reserve, yes, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching at least 400K to 500K. I do believe that is very, very possible. So 200K Bitcoin, that's an easy target. Okay, that is an easy target, guys. So look at this chart. This is the last chart that I want to show you guys for Bitcoin, right? And it says here, Bitcoin is perfect on track in comparison to the 2017 cycle. Price target $500,000. And yes, like I told you guys, okay, I do believe there is a chance here. Like, I'm not saying this will, 100% happen, but with the Bitcoin strategic reserves happening, okay, I think Bitcoin is going to really push up to 500K. I think that is very, very possible. And you guys just clearly see that from this chart, okay? So it is very, very possible, okay, to see Bitcoin reaching $500,000. And the patterns here are pretty similar to what happened in 2017. Okay, 2017 cycle, we know that was a fantastic bull run, but this bull run is going to be even better. Okay, this bull run is going to be the most insane and craziest bull run of our lifetime. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, Bitcoin, there is a chance that yes, it's going to rally to 500k. Okay, especially with the strategic reserves happening for it. So that is that. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and crypto. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.